Reasoning question number 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions given below. 8 persons sit in two parallel rows and facing each other. In row 1 A, B, C, D they are facing south. In row 2 F, G, H, I they are facing north, not necessarily in the same order. G does not sit at extreme end of the row. G sits to the immediate right of I. Who faces the one who sits second to the right of D. As many persons are there to the right of I as to the left of C. A is to the right of B but does not sit at extreme end. H sits to the right of F. Okay. Now, G sits to the immediate right of I. So, G sits to the immediate right of I means, so here we will get A, B, C, D. Here we will get F, G, H, I. G sits to the immediate right of I. Immediate right of I we will get G. Who faces? Who means I faces. I faces the person who is second to the right of D. Who is second to the right of D. That means here we will get D. This is D. Now, as many persons sit to the right side of I as to the left of C. As many persons sit to the right side of I. To the right side of I, how many persons are there? To the left side of C also same. A sits to the right of B. A sits to the right of B but does not sit at extreme right. That means A sits to the left of B but it is not to the extreme left. So, here as many persons, and G does not sit at extreme end. G is not at extreme end. G should not sit at extreme end. Now, H is to the right of F. H is to the right of F. A sits to the right of B. So, A sits to the left of B. A sits to the right of B means A sits to the left of B. Now, as many persons are there to the right side of I. To the right side of I we are having 3 persons. To the left side of C. To the left side of C, because C is south facing, this is only left side, there are 3 persons. So, we will get C, A, D, B, here I, G, F followed by H. Now, let us answer the given questions. Now, let us answer the given questions one by one. First question. First question, who is directly opposite to B? So, directly opposite to B, the person is H. Next one, who is sitting at extreme left end of their respective row? So, we have to find extreme left end of the respective row. So, here in the south facing, this is the left end B, here I. So, we do not have I, we are having B. Next question, 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group, which is the one that does not. If you see here, C is in the corner, I is in the corner, B is in the corner, H is in the corner, whereas D is not in the corner. So, this is the answer. Next, which is definitely true? A faces the neighbor of H, not correct. A sits second to the left of D, not correct. B is opposite to F, it is not correct. C sits to the right of D. So, C sits to the right of D, definitely correct. As many persons are there between I and F? As between I and F there is one person. Between G and H also there is one person. So, option is 3. Next, Mohan started walking from point A towards north direction for 7 to reach B. Then he takes 2 consecutive right turn and left turn and walks for 3 and 8 to reach C and D. Then he turns towards east and walks for 6 kilometers to reach E. Then he takes a right turn, walks 11 kilometers to reach F. Now, keep one point, that is the starting point A. From A, Mohan is walking 7 meters to the north direction. From A, Mohan is walking 7 meters north to reach B. Then he takes consecutive right turn and left turn. So this is the right turn, this is the left turn. For how many meters? 3 meters and 8 meters to reach C and D respectively. From D he turned towards east, walked 6 kilometers to reach E. Then he takes right turn. So the east facing person taking right means moving to the south. Now he is walking 11 meters. Let us assume this one as 11 meters to reach point F. This is the entire direction we got. Now based on this we should answer the given question. Okay. First one, 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? If you see DB, CA, EC, DB, D southwest is B, then CA, C southwest is A, EC, E southwest, this is E, E southwest is C, BF, B southeast, so BF is the odd one out. What is the total distance travelled from B to F? So this is 7, this is 3, 7 plus 3, 10, 18, 24, 24. So what is the total distance from B to E? Sorry, you have to count from B to E. So this is 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 11, 28. Answer is 28. If Z is 4 kilometers, 14 kilometers to the south of E. Now just draw one point. Here you write down Z. So total 14. So this is 3. Why? Because until here it is 11. This is 3. So 11 plus 3, 14. E south Z 14. Then the distance between F and Z. Between F and Z the distance is 3. Is same as between B and C. Between B and C also there are 3 kilometers. Next one. These are called as syllogisms. We have to solve by using the Venn diagram. In each of the questions there are some statements followed by given conclusions. You have to answer the questions. First one. Only few coffee is tea. Only few coffee is tea. All tea is milk. No milk is water. First conclusion. All coffee can never be water. See here, no is there for outer circle. So all coffee can never be water means some coffee is not water, which definitely follows. Some milk being coffee is a possibility. Already some milk is coffee. So for definitely following thing you should not consider as a possibility. The second one does not follow. Only one follows. Next question. All shoes is box. All shoes is box. Only few box is packed. Some packed is new. All box can be packed. So here only few box is packed means some box is packed, some box is not packed. So you cannot take all as a possibility. Therefore first one does not follow. Some shoes being new is a possibility. Here there is no relation between shoe and new. Therefore any possibility definitely follows. So answer is only 2 follows. Next question. Only shift is delete. That means all delete is shift. All delete is shift. Only few shift is control. Only few shift is control. Some control is not tab. Some control is not tab. First one. Some shift is not tab. Some shift is not tab. This one definitely follows. How it definitely follows? Here the relation between delete and tab is no. Why? Because only shift is delete. So delete tab, the relation is no. Delete control also, the relation is no. So we can directly say like this. No tab is delete. If no is there for the inner circle, for outer circle some not will follow. Therefore, some shift is not tab definitely follows. Next one, all tab being shift is a possibility. All tab being shift. There is no relation between tab and shift. Therefore, any possibility definitely follows. So, answer for this question both 1 and 2 follows. Next question, 12th one. All sea is beach. Only if you see is river. Some river is not pond. First one, all beach can never be river. That means some beach is not river. So we cannot say definitely. So here what is given? Some beach is not river. Actually some beach is not river definitely follows. Therefore all beach can be river does not follow. Some sea is not pond. Some sea is not pond. There is no relation and we can't say some not will follow. So answer is neither one nor two. Both 1 and 2 does not follow. Next question. A certain number of persons are sitting in a linear row facing towards north. Z is 4th to the left of x. Y is 7th to the right of z. As many persons sit between x and z as between z and u. W is 4th from right hand and is having immediate neighbor of y. Only 5 persons are there between y and t. Y is the immediate neighbor of s, who is 12th from one of the end. As many persons are there between u and t as between s and t. So here certain number of persons are there. So I am drawing two lines, two possibilities. First point, W is 4th from the right hand and is the immediate neighbor of y. See, W is 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will get W. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, W. W is the immediate neighbor of y. So here I am taking y. Here also I will take y. Then only 5 persons are there between y and t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then t. There are 5 persons between y and t. Then y is the immediate neighbor of s. Y is the immediate neighbor of s. S is 12th from one end. S is 12th from one end. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now next one, y is 7th to the right of z. Y sits 7th to the right of z. So y left 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th, 7th. So here we will get z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is z. Next, z is 4th to the left of x. So z is 4th to the left of x. That means between t and x there should be 2 gap. Between t and x there should be 2 gap. Next one, as many persons are there between u and t as between s and t. Between s and t, how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Between u and t also 4 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will get u. Here between s and t, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between t and u also 6, which is not possible. So this is definitely wrong. Then, as many persons are there between x and z as between z and u. Between z and u, how many persons are there? 3 persons. Between z and x also there are 3 persons. So, this is the total puzzle. Now, based on this we should answer. So, first count the number of persons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Total we are having 17 persons are there. Now, based on this we should answer the given question. First question. Let us see the first question. How many persons are there between x and w? Between x and w there are only how many persons between x and w? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 persons are there. Who is exactly in the middle? See, exactly in the middle means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So, this person where we don't have anyone. So, answer is unknown person. How many persons are sitting in the row? 17. Which is the true statement? X is to the immediate left of u, not correct. T is to the left of z, not correct. W and z are neighbors, not correct. Then more than 2 persons sit between T and W is definitely correct. Fourth one is definitely correct one. How many pairs of letters are there in the word reception? R-E-C-E-P-T-I-O-N. So, R, see from here. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nothing is there. Then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, nothing. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, nothing. P, Q, R, nothing. N, O. When we see from left to right, there is N, O. Between N and O, there is no gap here. In the English alphabet series also, there is no gap. So, the answer is N, O. That is only one pair. Let us see the next question. This is based on, this is called as alphanumeric symbol series. Based on the alphabets, numbers and symbol, you have to answer. How many such consonants are there in the above statement, which is immediately followed by symbol? Consonant followed by symbol means we will get B at the rate, that is the first thing. Then P, this symbol, this is the second thing. So, only 2 we are going to get. Which on the following symbol is third to the left of the letter, which is 7th from the right end? So, first of all you should see 7th from right end, the letter only. We have to take only the letter. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, here we will get C. Symbol, third left of C is only symbol. This is the first symbol, this is the second symbol, third symbol is dollar. Dollar is the correct answer. Only dollar. Next one. Which of the following element is exactly between the 11th element from right and 9th element from left? Okay. Now, here we have to see 11th element from the right end. So, 11th element from right end means this is right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is A. Then 9th from left end. So, 9th from left end means N. So, including N and A, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, you have to leave 6 gap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you will get hash in the middle, exactly hash. How many letters are there in the given series? How many letters means letters, which is immediately preceded by symbol, immediately followed by number. So, there should be symbol, letter, number. Symbol, letter, number. So, we can take this one. See, less than M3, symbol, letter, number. Then we are having $A6, symbol, number, letter. So, only 2 things we are getting. Then, if all the odd numbers and symbols are dropped, which of the following element is 10th from right hand? So, you have to drop the odd numbers and the symbol. So, drop all the odd numbers and the symbol. Odd numbers and symbol. Now, which of the following is 10th from right hand? So, here we will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th one is 6. 6 is the correct answer. Next question. Find the odd one out. So this is based on the English alphabetical series. This is based on English alphabetical series. You just write numbers, alphabets I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I am writing the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So numbers also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, so until 26. Now PS 35. So it is PS 35. After P, QR 2 gap, S, and P number is 16, S number we will get 19, total 35. Similarly RU 39. R, S, T, U means R number is 18, then U number is 21, total 39. Similarly FI 15. F, G, H 2 means I, it is 15. So F number is 6, I number 9, total 15. L, O 27, L, M, N, O, L for 12, O for 15, total 27. Similarly D, G, how much? D is 4, then EF 2 means G, G number is 7, we should get DG 11, 10 is wrong. So DG 10 is the wrong one. Next thing. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. There are 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W living on different floors of the 4-floor building, where bottom is 1, top floor is 4. Each floor has 2 flats A and B. So you have to write like this 4, 3, 2, 1. A and B. Similarly, the second possibility also I will try 4, 3, 2, 1. Flat A and flat B. Now S is living 2 floors above R. Both of them live on different flat, and T live to the west of S. T is living to the west of S. S is living 2 floors above R and different flats. So it can be like this: S, R, T, or S. Here we will get R. This will be T. So we can try both cases. Then the number of floors above R is same below Q. Above R there are 2 floors, below Q also there are 2 floors, and they live on the same flat. Above R there are 3 floors, below Q also 3, and they live in the same flat. Then W does not live in flat B, so W lives in flat A. W lives in flat A. Next, V lives 2 floor above P. V is living 2 floor above P. U lives below P. So we should get like this: V, 1 gap, P, U. But here we will not get that possibility. So this is wrong, and this one will be right. Now based on this, we should answer the given question. First one. Let us see the first one. On which of the following floor and flat T live? T lives 3rd floor, flat A. Floor 3, flat A. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? See, V is on flat B, S is on flat B, W is on flat A, P and U flat B. So W is the odd one out. Who is living on the 2nd floor? W and P, both W and P. Which is true? S and T, they live on prime number floor, correct only. U and Q are in the different flat, correct only. U does not live on the bottom, this is not correct. So only 1 and 2 are correct. As many floors are above W 2 floors, as below S or T 2 floors. So S is the correct answer. S is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. If we form a meaningful word by using the third letter, sixth letter and eighth letter and 12th letter of the word nationalization. So you have to take third letter. What is the third letter? T. Then fourth, fifth, sixth. So third letter T, fourth, fifth, sixth is N, then seventh, eighth is L, then ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th T. So with T N L T, are we getting any meaningful word? We are getting no meaningful word. Our answer is 4, that is X. Next one. 8 persons are there in a stadium, one above the other. E stands 4 persons before H, D stands immediately after H. As many persons are there before D as after A? Only 3 persons stand between A and F. C stands before B and after G. Less than 3 persons are there between G and F. Now, total 8 persons are there. Let us start. E stands first one. E stands 4 persons before H. E stands 4 persons before H. Then D stands immediately after H. As many persons are there before D as after A? Before D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after A also there should be 5. So you can take like this. So before D, how many persons are there? After A also same number of persons are there. Only 3 persons are there between A and F. Only 3 persons are there between A and F. Now C stands before B after G. Less than 3 persons are there between G and F. Between G and F, 3 persons less. Now let us start. First, let us take D here, then H here. 1, 2, 3. Here we will get E. Now, as many persons stand before D as after A? We can take like this. R, D, H, take 3 gap, then E. So, can we take A? No. So, it is not possible. Now, if I take any other possibility, so here if I take D, H, 1, 2, 3, E. So last third place D, first third place should be A. This is correct. Then there is only 3 persons between A and F. Between A and F, 3 persons. 1, 2, 3, F. 1, 2, 3, F. C stands before B and after G. C stands before B after C. That is G, C, B. Here also G, C, B. But less than 3 persons are there between G and F. Here in between G and F we are having how many persons? 4 persons. It should be less than 3. So this is wrong. This one is correct. So correct arrangement is AGE, CF, BHD. AGE, CF, BHD is the correct arrangement. Now let us answer the question. This is the correct arrangement. Let us see the questions one by one. How many persons are there before B? Before B there are 5 persons. So answer is more than 4. As many persons are there before H as after G? So 2 is the correct one. Which of the following statement is false? Only 3 persons are there between E and A is definitely false. No person is after D. This is true only. E stands 2 persons before F. That is also true. So only 1 is false. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. So B and D we can see 1 gap. G and C 1 gap. D and E more than 1 gap is there. Then next one. Who among the following person stands 3 persons before C? So 3% before C means the person is A. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. In a if Shane is coded as VJKPH, in a similar way Trice is coded as HKTGG, then what is the code for bread? Let us take Shane first. I am taking Shane. S opposite letter is H, E opposite letter V. So if you take alphabets like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here S opposite letter is H, E opposite letter V. H, I means J, J means K, N, O means P. So you have to miss one letter. Similarly here, what is the code for bread? BREAD, bread. So B opposite letter is Y, D opposite letter is W, R, S means T, E, F means G. So we will get WTGCY. WTGCY. Next question. There are 7 persons NOPQRST attending the conference on different months, that is June, July, August, September, October, November, December, not necessarily in the same order. So June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the given months: June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now if you take the number of days, you have to take the number of days. June will be having 30 days, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. Now P attends the conference in the month having even number of days, that is 30 days. P 30 days. 2 persons are there between P and O, and both P and O before October. Before October means we can take September. There is only one possibility we can take like this. We have to get both P and O before October. Then N attends the conference 2 months after O. So N is coming in November. Next, as many persons are there before N after T? Before N after T means before N is last second, T will be first second. Then Q attends the conference before S, but after R. It should be R, Q and S. So this is the correct arrangement. Now R does not attend in July. So we got the correct arrangement. Now based on this we should answer the given question. Let us see the first one. If all the persons are made to sit in reverse alphabetical order from June to December, we have to take in reverse alphabetical order from June to September. Then, so reverse alphabetical order means T, S, then R, then we will get Q, P, O and N, like this. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. We can take like this also, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now, how many remain unchanged? Only R is remaining unchanged, only one. Who is attending the conference in August? The person is R. Which of the following statement is true? No one attends the conference before P, correct. N attends the conference in the month having the even days, correct. More than 3 persons are there between S and T, correct. So all are correct. Then who is attending the conference before R? So 2 months before R. 2 months before R, the person is P. Then 4 of the following 5 are like in certain way and hence form a group. See, R August 31 days. T it is July, again 31 days. P it is June 30 days. Then Q it is October 31 days. S December 31. So which is the odd one out? P is the odd one out. Okay, this is the memory based paper that was conducted on August 2023. Last year, this is the paper that was given in your RRB prelims exam. So, pattern will be in this model only, and the level of the exam also is expected to be in this model only. So, in the next classes, we will continue with some more memory based papers.